Friend, today I want to explain you exercise 2.1. So exercise 2.1 is related with the polynomial. So in polynomial what we have to understand? Already we have in last lecture we have understood poly means many, and we have also explained about the type of polynomial, that is linear, quadric and cubic. Now we want to do exercise related type of polynomial, degree, coefficient, term, that we want to discuss in exercise 2.1. हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी 2.1 में वो exercise 2.1 स्टार्ट करने से पहले we have already discussed about the type of polynomial. Now from exercise 2.1, first question. Whatever we are discussing, try to complete this in your fair book. Chapter number 2 we have started. You have to, I think you have to completed it. You have already completed exercise lesson number 1. Now we are doing lesson number 2. Because of COVID-19 you have to stay at home and work at most at home. So now first question, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable? Now already we have discussed that here one variable are discussing. Now if you will see one variable, here it is one variable, here one variable, here one variable, here one variable, here 1, 2 and 3. So it is not a polynomial with one variable. It is fact. So out of 5 questions we have removed this. Why? Because we are discussing for only one variable. Now here it is not one variable, because how many variables are there? X, y and t. 3 variables. It is obviously a polynomial. It is obviously a polynomial, but because of 3 variables, it is not under one variable. ये polynomial तो है ही, लेकिन one variable polynomial नहीं है. Why? Because it has 3 variables. Now discuss is with the give reason for your statement. So we have to give the reason. Now here first we can say it is answer is yes. Answer is yes. Now how we can say it is a polynomial? How many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. With degree 2. So we can say it is polynomial. But power, always remember that yesterday we have not discussed this with the power. X the power 2. Always power means x the power n if we can discuss any polynomial with power n. But n should be non-negative integer. ये कैसा होना चाहिए? Non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means what? Non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. Integers means what? Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are called non-negative integer. ये क्या होना चाहिए? Non-negative integer होना चाहिए. So 2 is called non-negative integer. That is why we can say first is polynomial. First is polynomial with one variable. Answer is correct. Again here variable is only y. So only one variable is there. Power 2. So we can say it is a quadric polynomial. So it is also a yes. Again here it is also a yes. How many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. Which type of quadrilateral according which type of polynomial according to the power, इसके power के reference में कौन सा type होगा? तो क्या it is a quadric polynomial. यहाँ पे question खाली ऐसा ही है कि polynomial है तो yes and give reason. So here it is polynomial with one variable. It is also polynomial with one variable. Here polynomial we can say no. So someone says sir yes, but answer is no. Why? Because here under root t, if I want to remove this under root t, 9th में first lesson में हम लोग ने पढ़ गया. We have already teach it. क्या हम लोग ने पढ़ लिया है कि t, if I want to remove the under root, I have to write 1 upon 2. So t the power 1 upon 2, we can say it is not a polynomial. Why? Polynomial means non-negative integer. इंटीजर, नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर। अगर पावर जो फॉर्म है वो नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर है, देन वी कैन से यस, यहाँ पे ऐसा है नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज अंडर रूट टी। तो ये क्या है, नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर है। इट इज पॉसिबल नॉन नेगेटिव, नॉट, इट इज ए रेशनल फॉर्म है। टी 1/2 मीन्स रेशनल फॉर्म हो गया, तो पॉसिबल नहीं है। फोर्थ, y plus 2y, 2 upon y. So here y we have to put as it is. But if I want to remove this y, we have to shift to numerator to denominator. But power is 1. So y plus 2y the power minus 1. So y the power minus 1 means we have say it is also a negative integer. हम लोग ने तो क्या बात किया है, ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस दैट नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर पॉसिबल है, ये तो नेगेटिव इंटीजर है। सो अगेन इट इज ऑल्सो ए नॉट पॉलिनोमियल। व्हाई, बिकॉज y द पावर माइनस 1। सो फर्स्ट में यस, सेकंड में यस, थर्ड में नो, बिकॉज ऑफ रूट टी। इट इज फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म, वी आर ऑलरेडी डिस्कस, so we cannot say here to the y the power minus 1. So again it is a negative integer. We are discussing non-negative integer. How many variables are there? 3. So we say that it is not one variable polynomial. So first exercise 2.1 question number 1 is too much easy. Now write the coefficient of x square from each of the following polynomial. What the question is, write the coefficient of x square. So someone cannot see properly, they write 2. Look, 2 नहीं लिख सकते. What we have to write first? x square. So coefficient of x square. जब भी कोई भी coefficient अगर नहीं है तो we can take as a 1. Question is like that, x square. x square के आगे अगर कुछ भी नहीं डिस्क्राइब किया है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक 1. सो हियर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 1. सो आंसर इज 1 वी हैव टू राइट. नाउ इन दिस आई थिंक मोस्टली विल गेट आंसर minus 1. What we have to write? Minus 1. Why? Because here negative sign is there. So minus 1 is the coefficient of x square. Here pi by 2. Pi by 2 is a answer of x square, because write the coefficient of x square. Here root 2. Can we write root 2? No. Is there any x square term? No. यहाँ पे x square term एक भी है नहीं. Here there is no x square term. यहाँ पे x square term है नहीं. So what we are in question 2, we have to write pi by 2. That is our answer. But here there is no x square term. So we have to write 0 x square. So 0 is the coefficient of x square. So it is not necessary. So remember that when coefficient of here x square is not given, we have to write the 0. I think it is too much easy. Now we want to try third. Already yesterday we discussed about this binomial of degree 35. What is the meaning of binom? Binom means two term. Binom means two term. Binom is two term. So I can write x. How much power I have to write? 35. So I have to write here 35. 35. Power I have to write 30. Plus anything you can write. You can write anything. Give an example of binomial with degree. So I can also write 10. You can write x, you can write y, anything you can write. Now second is monomial of degree 100. Monomial means one term. So y the power 100 we can write. Is also a correct answer. Someone says sir x square and then 50 and then again power 2. It is also correct. X 50 the power 2. So it is also correct. So it is easy. Again, easiest question is question number 3. What you have to write? Binomial degree 35 and monomial degree 100. So just write x the power 100 and here x the power 35 plus 1. That we have to write. So it is easy question. Now write the degree of the each of the following polynomial. Degree of each of the following. So already we have discussed yesterday that highest power is called degree. So here write the degree of the following each polynomial. So here x the power 3. So here degree is equal to 3. Why? Because already write the degree. So highest degree is x the power 3. Here y the power 2. So degree is equal to 2. Here t the power 1. So degree is equal to 1. Here x the power 0. Yesterday we discussed constant term or zeros polynomial. So here degree is 0. So it is too much easy. Again, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So here three terms are there. Highest power is called degree. Again, highest power is called degree. So highest power is 3. So 5x the power 3 plus 4x square. So degree is equal to 3. Here the highest power is 2. So here we have to write degree is equal to 2. Here highest power t the power 1. So degree is equal to 1. Here 3 constant term. Yesterday we discussed this constant polynomial or zeros polynomial whose degree is 0. So it is also easy. Now last question, that is classify the following as a linear, quadric and cubic polynomial. Student, if you have not your textbook, then I am doing it here. Take rough book and write all the exercise 2.1 question answer thoroughly when my lecture is going on. मेरा जब lecture start हो जाता है on that time what you have to do? You have to write all the sum with me. Now last question, classify. Yesterday हम लोग ने ये discuss किया था linear, quadric and cubic. So classify the following as a linear, quadric and cubic. What is the formula for linear? Power is equal to 1. We can say linear. Quadric, power is equal to 2. Quadric. Cubic, power is equal to 3. So what you have to find out? First of all, you have to find out that which has power 1, which has power 2, which has power 3. So on that time we can say. So here x square. So x square means how much degree? Quadric. So we can say it is a quadric polynomial. Question number first is quadric polynomial. Here x the power minus 3 means what? Cubic polynomial. You have to write thoroughly. I am writing on this C. It is cubic polynomial. Again which power it is? How many power? Power 2. So again we can say it is a quadric. We can write capital Q also. Here power is 1. So we can say linear. What we have to write? Linear. Or we can say L. Because degree is 1. So we can say linear. Here again 3t, power is 1. So we can say linear. It is also linear. It is also linear. Here answer is L. Again here answer is L. Again here answer is Q, quadric. Why? Because of power 2. Here power is 3. 3, so we can say cubic. Now you will see that in this question variable is x, variable is y, variable is t, variable is r. Maybe possible variables are different, but degree is important. So here power is 2, so we can say quadric. Power is 3, we can say cubic. Power is 2, we can say quadric. Power is 1, we can say linear. Power is 1, we can say linear. Power is 2, we can say quadric. Power is 3, we can say cubic. So this is sufficient for today's lecture. Anyhow, you have to complete exercise 2.1 because it is too much easy. If someone want to practice more such exercise, then you have to give me some information, or you have to give me in WhatsApp, okay sir, please give extra sheet for it. Then I will write extra sheet send you in WhatsApp. So you have to do more practice. So exercise 2.1, it is easy. Now try to solve everything yourself. Exercise 2.1 you have to do in your fair book. And if you have complete exercise first lesson, then again you have to make photocopies in classroom.